After takeoff, if there is a failure of the number 1 engine, the hydraulic system A has only the electric motor-driven hydraulic pump to supply pressure. The landing gear transfer unit uses hydraulic system B pressure to raise the landing gear. Extend the landing gear. If hydraulic system A pressure is not available to release the gear up locks, then you use the manual gear extension handles. There is one handle for each gear. The manual gear extension handles are on the cockpit floor on the left side of the first officer's seat. Before you use the manual gear extension handles, move the landing gear lever to off. Pull each handle out to release the up locks for the related gear. When the up locks release, the gear free fall into the down and locked position. After you pull the 3 manual gear extension handles, move the landing gear lever to down. If hydraulic system A is not available for nose wheel steering, then you can select an alternate source of hydraulic pressure for nose wheel steering. The nose wheel steering switch selects the hydraulic source for the nose wheel steering. The switch has a guard to keep the switch in the normal position. Select alternate nose wheel steering. Hydraulic system B supplies pressure to the nose wheel steering. The landing gear lever is locked in the down position when the airplane is on the ground. After takeoff, the air-ground sensing system releases the lever lock. If the lock does not release, then you must cancel the lever lock. The override trigger unlocks the landing gear lever in all phases of flight. You must pull and hold the override trigger while you raise the landing gear lever. The red landing gear indicator lights normally illuminate when the gear is not locked in the up or down position. The red lights can also illuminate on the ground to show a gear sensor failure. The airplane cannot be dispatched in this condition.